Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how you can permanently delete your Discord account on your PC. So if you have an extra Discord account or you just don't want to use it anymore, how we can delete that? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just go to this corner right here, which shows your username right at the bottom, and just click on user settings right here. After that, just simply click on this My Account and you can see your username on the top. What you can do is just to simply delete it, just scroll right at the bottom and it says delete account or disable the account. So if you want to permanently delete that, click on delete account and you need to mention the password before deleting that. And you might get some option to transfer the ownership of the server. Let's say you own a Discord server, you need to transfer the ownership to some other person if you have created a channel or a server. So if you want to find out the procedure about that, you can check out the playlist link in the description. All right, let's continue. Let's click on delete account after mentioning the password. Now let's go to the Gmail ID and let's see if we received any confirmation email that we have successfully deleted our Discord account. As you can see here, we have received an email account schedule for deletion. So we have received request permanently delete your account. Your account has been deactivated and will be permanently deleted after 14 days. So just in case you change your mind, you can log into Discord again. So I will wait for this 14 days until it get automatically permanently deleted. And that's how you do it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks. And if you want to learn more about Discord, you can check out the playlist link in the description. And with this said, take care and I'll see you in the next one.